So welcome back to another video. So guys, if you are seeing this video, you are probably been frustrated with the new Instagram update that has been rolled out, in which that suggested post section is very irritating, and most of the people are very frustrated with them with that section and are not happy with that update. I have seen many videos on Instagram to how to remove, but that are all temporary solution and does not fix that issue. So I have my way around found a solution, at least on the Android side, because I am not a iOS user, and so if I will find another way to how to remove that suggested app or suggested post section, I will definitely upload or update this video. On the Android side, I think it can be removed from all devices. So let's start with this video. First of all, there will be two type of scenarios in which your Instagram app has been associated with your Android uh, you mean Android version. For example, I am using a stock Android, in which you can clearly see that I have already installed the latest Instagram app. So as you can see, even if I open after 2 or 3 posts, you see you are all caught up, view older post, and then suggested post section starts. So I do not like this, and maybe many people are not liking this. So if I try to uninstall the app Instagram here, sorry for 1 second, if we go to Play Store and try to uninstall, see it says, do you want to uninstall all the updates to this Android system? It means my Instagram app is already integrated in my default app, so I cannot completely remove Instagram, but I can uninstall all the new updates that has been rolled out to this Instagram. For example, if I do uninstall, now if I open the app, it will ask me to update the Instagram, and I will be on the same version that I was having the issues from this suggested post. Second will be the people on which the Instagram app is not integrated in within the self of Android and can completely uninstall the Instagram. In both the cases, there is the easy way. We have to go back to the exact app version from which this suggested post started, or the one previous version back from this suggested post app update. So what we will do, we will go to APK Pure, we will search exactly Instagram old version download, we will search here. Doesn't matter you are using a stock Android or a customized Android, doesn't matter. If you can uninstall all the updates, then also this trick will come, the trick will be good. And if you uninstall completely Instagram from your feed, then also you can use this. So we will scroll down and we will see APK Pure. Here it is written Instagram update version history for Android. Click on that. I have checked several times, and just click on the desktop side. As you can see, I have installed many of the version, and I found out that 154.0.0.32.123 was the update in which this suggested posts are coming. So I have decided to download 153 dot this particular version. So click on this. There will be two variants. Always download the first version, that is ARM64, because most of the operating systems are running on the 64-bit. Just download it. I have already downloaded it. After downloading, just go to your download section where Instagram is this update. I will click on it. It will say install and update to the built-in application. I will install it. Just wait for a few seconds. Now after the app is installed, click on done, click on your home button, go entirely and open newly your Instagram app. As you will have, it will ask for the login. I will log in. I have already installed my Facebook and logged in, so I will continue with my Facebook. As I will continue, it will start loading, connecting to Facebook. Now we will see that that suggested post comes or not. We will scroll down. From here you are all caught up. Then one ad sponsored, which is very regular, and voila, you can already see your old post without any interruption or without any seeing the suggested post or searching for how to remove this. Similarly, if you are not have installed your default Instagram app, if you completely install, you can directly install that old version as I have shown previously in the video. So if you like the video, then give like. If you dislike the video, dislike, comment, so that it can reach a lot of people, because from what I have seen on the App Store reviews, most of the people are not liking this update. So yeah, see you in the next video. I'm really sorry for the extended video, because I forgot to say one thing. If you install that old version of the Instagram, as soon as you install that Instagram and you are comfortable by using it, if you are not seeing any you are all caught up and then further suggested post, then you have to do one thing in order to stop the auto update. Just go to Instagram. After that, go to your account, then to your settings, and here in the search bar type update. Then click on the app updates. You will see that update auto Instagram over Wi-Fi, turn it off. And also Instagram app update is available, turn it off. And Instagram update installed also, do not forget to turn this off also. Also, for the safety, go to your Play Store, click on three dots on the main home page, then go to setting, and here you can see that auto update apps, and then click on do not auto update apps in order to go to the new rolled out version, so that you may not be frustrated again with that suggested post section. Thank you.